Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a side-to-side image jiggle in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Inspector panel and set the rotation to 10 degrees. Then click the keyframe button and next to rotation and move the timeline slider 15 frames forward and change your rotation to -10 degrees. Then move the forward another 10 frames and change the rotation back to 10 degrees. Then repeat the process, alternating between the 10 degrees to -10 for as long as you want the effect. Then open the keyframe editor and highlight all the keyframes. Click the ease icon to make the movement more natural. And that's it. Now you have your image jiggle from side to side smoothly in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!